Alright, so I'm going to quickly demonstrate the Project Trace website. Right here we have a web app. This is it hosted locally, however we also have hosted it in the cloud right over here. I was able to accomplish this using Netlify. Netlify let me deploy the web app, which I created in Node.js over here in JavaScript. And as for the backend, I was able to host a Node server using Heroku. So if just hitting the Heroku backend, this is what it would look like right here. I was able to grab a bunch of elements from the Mongo database. And so when you land on the home page, I have a short description of what Project Trace is. On the visuals tab, let's see if we reload this. My bad. I've yet to push that, but let's see. Oh, there we go. Never mind. It just take a while to load. On the visuals tab, we have some word clouds created for the data we collected on the government projects. I can add more in the future. And then on the separate tabs, we for each of these things here, basically I pinged the Mongo database. Each collection right here is correlated to a government project, and from there I was able to grab all the keys and all the keywords, the related topics, the coherence of those topics, and the perplexity as well. In the future, I'm going to add as well the sentiment and the subjectivity. Here is what it looks like on the back end. I'm just pinging the server and displaying it on the front end. Going a little more into the back end right here, as you can see, for the Node.js file, I'm just getting the resources from the Heroku, from our Mongo database server right here. And then I create separate routes for each of them, and I just go through the entire collection. So for example, right here we have the DIBBSS award collection right here, and I just go through the whole thing and I gather all the objects, and I send all the objects back as a giant JSON or a dictionary. And then for the web app, again, I create separate routes in the nav bar, and then for each element in the nav bar, I've created a component. For example, here's a component right here, and I go through and I fetch the data from the cloud-hosted node on Heroku, and then I'm able to display that over here in HTML with some style, which gives us what we see in the browser. And I believe that is all.